There are mainly two types of sounds. The first one is sound effects. These can be used to highlight something important or to just make the viewer hear what's happening on the screen. For example, if something important is about to be said, add a riser. If something is moving, add a whoosh effect. Finding sound effects can, however, be a real headache. So to make things easy for you, I've created this Google Drive folder with all the most viral sound effects out there. I don't ask anything for it. And you really don't have to use it, but it'll save you a bunch of time, so why not? I'll leave a link to it in the description. The other side of sound design is your choice of music, or soundtrack as some call it.